Hello and welcome back to some more Bungo Stray Dogs Season 2 Episode 6. I'm your friendly Vampire Skarlett, and in the last episode all hell has broken loose. They're about to go to war. The guild organization, the agency and the port mafia. It's free for all now, and that's what we'll get into. But before that, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, we shall get straight into it. One strike. Friends. Do you have any friends? You mean Dazai, don't you?
Nope.
Guild operative. Nathaniel Hawthorne. Sounds familiar. Scarlet Letter. Margaret Mitchell. Gone with the Wind. His name sounds familiar. Hers, not so much. Oh, you're dead. Both of you. You're both dead. You're an idiot. The bomb is already here. It's the lemons. You're the one who's dropping your guard. Boom. Meaning what?
You're about to find out.
Okay. Lemon! When life gives you lemons, hey? Hijitsu wa bakuhatsu da. Okay, Deidara. First was the ship. Yes, here are the remaining ones. They're already here. What, do you have an ability? Wow, you're so smart. I don't understand. Akutagawa, hey?
They're dead! They're all dead!
Yes. I thought no gift user would be a match for you, eh? Pathetic.
That's just bloody rude.
Your ability is kind of similar.
You don't say.
Right, it's the same thing almost.
Yes, we know.
It's the same thing that happened with the one that could see 5 seconds into the future happen again. When two ability connects. They mentioned that in the flashbacks. So, Akutagawa, how are you going to get away from that? Your reason on both these. She got Vlad the Impaled. Impaled. He just triggered his, I want to say inferiority. What's going on? Alright, he was in a coma. My bad. He's completely crazy. Bring it. I welcome it gladly. Death.
Nope.
No. Yes.
Nope, wrong again.
What? So you can turn his blood into that infinitely.
You just realized this now?
This guy is epic. He's being an MC right now. This one. This girl is okay, what was the plan? Will they? You figured it out. Rampo, he did. Is he that strong?
You have no idea.
Dazai embarrassed him, so I don't know the level. Either Dazai is way too strong, or we are overestimating this guy. But if he wasn't that strong, he wouldn't go there alone. So
Just wait, you'll see.
What's his ability, by the way?
I want to know.
And what is the said opinion? Please share it with the group.
たった二人かよ。
応対が不満なら事前予約してから出直しな。
マフィアが敵拠点で暴れるのに予約がいると思うか。
He's using everybody.
ギルドの井上
He's just
を待ち伏せる好機。
incredibly smart.
なるほど、そそられる提案だね。
だろ。
けど、もっといい案があるよ。あんたの手
You don't want to do that.
何を企んでるか吐かせるってのはどうだ。気をつけてください。
What is that? Gravity! How do you fight that? He controls gravity.
重力と戦いてえのはどっちだ？
I doubt he's just gonna tell you that.
この件でポートマフィアはどう動く？動くまでもねえよ。
ギルドは僕たちと同じように罠を疑ったはずだ。
Oh, so he tipped them off so he can pit them against one another.
あまりにも餌が魅力的だったからだ。何でギルドを釣った？
どこの国でも田舎は心休まるね。さて、ポートマフィアからのギフトはこの先だ。
明らかに我々を誘い出すための罠だ。なぜ
Then why are you here if you know it's the trap?
魅力的だ。
Boss of the Port Mafia is just too smart. He might be smarter than Rampo.
楽勝だ。
間に合うのは我々だけですか？はい。はい。至急向かいます。社長ですか？
Godspeed, mate. Godspeed. Or they're all gonna die.
ギルドと激突する。
I don't know where Dazai went. Anyway, he wasn't there. She wasn't here either. Where is he? Well, we'll have to see that in the next episode. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.